I have a snow day today, so I decided to make my honey lager recipe that I came up with just looking at some recipes online. So we're starting off by heating up 2.5 gallons of water. It's about 3 pounds of grain being steeped here. And I'll steep it for at least a half hour. So I just added some liquid malt and dry malt extract. Yeah, I'm an extract brewer. I don't have the facilities for doing all grain. Obviously I'm doing this on a stovetop. And now I'm just waiting for it to boil. I'm getting ready to add the hops now. I'm going to be adding Fuggle to start. And this is actually not what I wanted to add. Unfortunately, the progress hops I wanted to add were not available. So this is my substitution. And add the secret ingredient. Transferring now to the fermenting bucket. I like to add about 1.5 gallons or so of water first. Helps with cooling. So now we check the specific gravity, and it's almost ready to ferment.